Hello, welcome to Autism with a Side of Fright. Now, as we all know, it's approaching Halloween and Bonfire night. Now, the thing I want to talk to you about is anxiety near Bonfire night, and including Halloween too, because Halloween's a big event. I mean, especially with people with autism, like me. If you're like me and is petrified of Bonfire night, I usually stay in with the radio on. I usually have earplugs that I put in so I don't hear fireworks. I don't hear what's going on out there. I quite like staying hidden around that time of year. I don't like trick-or-treating because other people dressed up in really, and I must say the costumes nowadays are great, aren't they? But they just scare me. I mean, you see a clown or something walking down the road and I think, ooh, I don't like that, and I just hide. So I don't really like going out trick-or-treating.